welcome to the 8th Little Artist Online. Today we're going to be using Luke Clennell's The Baggage Wagon for our art inspiration mixes. Lightning pictures, all you need is some oil, a black crayon and a paintbrush and finally a piece of paper. So let's get started. First you get the olive oil, you get your oil, and I've got vegetable oil but you can use any oil that you have around the house, and then you make some lightning shapes with the oil. Make sure they're quite thick, like this. You can make about 2 or 3, whatever fits on your size of paper. I've done 3, but you can do 2 or whatever amount that fits on your paper. Next, once it's dried, you get your black crayon and you put it all around the olive oil, like this. This is one that I've done earlier. As you can probably see, when around you can see that it looks a bit translucent. So the best place to display it is in a window. Bye! See you next time!